Hey guys, my name is Dewie Jones. I'm a Colorado off-roader, and this is going to be a spectacular trail, but not a trail guide. We're going to come back on it. I did not know this trail was as good as it is, so let's just start it. Welcome to our channel where we focus on Colorado trail coverage using all kinds of vehicles. We also like Moab too. Most of the videos we publish are detailed trail guides which basically show you the entire trail from start to finish so you can figure out if the trail is one that you want to do. Now those guides are a bit long, so I'm hoping to publish shorter videos like this one. Also, since I just became a full-time overlander, we may play around with those type of videos in the future. Especially since Sean and Zach love camping. Anyway, this video covers the entire awesome Boulder Mountain Trail. The goal is to show you the trail from start to finish, but to keep it short using drone and GoPro footage mostly. There will be text info boxes and occasional narration. Also, since not everyone likes music in off-road videos, I'll limit that in these type of videos. After filming the Antero Trail guide, David and I weren't quite done yet and hopped on this trail. Now this is an offshoot of the main Antero Trail and is the first of many offshoots you'll encounter. The trail isn't particularly difficult, but it is quite tight. However, as you'll see at the end, the views are quite worth the pinstripes. Well, at least we thought so. So we spent a lot of time filming on Mount Antero. I was filming a trail guide, but I also was filming a separate video for a diabetes camp in Florida that unfortunately due to COVID-19 had to do a virtual camp this past summer. Anyway, as you can see, we were losing light, so we were rushing to complete the trail before night arrived. Also, if you can't tell from the footage, a lot of this trail is on a cliff's edge. So we liked the idea of actually completing at least one way in the light. Now that we have broken the tree line, we will really start to see those beautiful mountain views, and also how much of a cliff we are actually driving on. I'm not too sure this video is doing justice for the narrowness of the trail, especially since we are following that little Renegade most of the way. So in those trail guides, I like to discuss our ratings of the trail with all that ran it so we have a good consensus. Here, I'm not quite sure where this one would fall in our pucker factor ratings, but I think it'd be up there with the likes of both Antero and Saxon Mountains. Well, we are getting to the end, and as you will see, I got the drone out for some flying practice, so let's get there. All right, if you guys liked this video, even though I didn't take it like my normal trail guides, then let me know what vehicles you want me to bring back and I will film a beautiful trail guide on this awesome trail. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.